On the sun-drenched shores of the French Riviera sits Monaco, a true beacon of glamour, luxury and timeless charm. This tiny principality, famous for its casinos, chic shops and breathtaking Formula One races, captivates visitors with its unique blend of history, culture and modern luxury. Monaco's history is a story of ancient roots, a powerful dynasty and a modern transformation into a global destination. From humble beginnings as a haven for ancient peoples to its current status as a playground for the rich and famous, Monaco's evolution is as captivating as its stunning Mediterranean scenery. This charming place offers a diverse kaleidoscope of experiences for every traveler. Whether you're drawn to the thrill of the casino, the allure of luxury boutiques, or exploring historical landmarks, Monaco promises an unforgettable journey into a world of elegance and excitement. Join us as we delve into Monaco's captivating history, tracing its evolution from ancient times to its modern splendor. We'll uncover the stories behind its iconic landmarks and explore the hidden gems that make this principality a true jewel of the Mediterranean. Long before the bright lights of the casino illuminated its shores, Monaco's strategic location on the Mediterranean coast made it an attractive settlement for ancient civilizations. The Phoenicians, skilled seafarers and traders, were among the first to recognize the potential of this rocky outcrop, settling here as early as the 6th century BC. Then came the Greeks, drawn to the natural harbor and the region's strategic position. They established a colony near Monaco, calling it Monoikos, meaning single house or hermitage, possibly referring to a temple dedicated to the god Hercules or the Ligurian tribe inhabiting the area. Roman influence reached Monaco around the 1st century BC. When the region became part of the Roman Empire, the Romans recognized the strategic importance of this area, using the natural harbor as a base for their fleet and building roads that connected Monaco with other parts of the empire. Despite the changing empires and the flow of history, the Rock of Monaco, an impressive limestone outcrop jutting into the sea, remained a constant. This natural fortress provided protection and a strategic vantage point, shaping the principality's destiny for centuries. Monaco's fate took a dramatic turn in 1297 with the arrival of the Grimaldi family, a powerful Genoese clan destined to rule the principality for over 700 years. Francesco Grimaldi, disguised as a Franciscan monk, led a small group of men and captured the fortress on the Rock of Monaco, laying the foundation for the Grimaldi dynasty's long reign. Over the centuries, the Grimaldis navigated a complex political landscape, forging alliances and defending their independence from powerful neighbors. Their rule transformed Monaco from a small, fortified outpost into a thriving center of trade, culture and diplomacy. One notable figure in the Grimaldi lineage is Prince Honoré II, who reigned from 1612 to 1662. He adopted the title of prince and established a court that attracted artists, musicians, and intellectuals, laying the foundation for Monaco's cultural heritage. Despite hardships and setbacks, including periods of foreign occupation, the Grimaldi family's resilience and political acumen ensured their survival and preserved Monaco's independence. Their legacy is inextricably linked to the principality's identity, shaping its history, culture, and international standing. Trials and triumphs shaping modern Monaco. The French Revolution and the rise of Napoleon brought significant changes to Monaco. In 1793, French revolutionary troops occupied the principality, ending the Grimaldis' centuries-long rule, albeit temporarily. Monaco was incorporated into France as part of the Alpes-Maritimes department. The Grimaldi family regained control of Monaco in 1814 after Napoleon's fall, but the principality faced new challenges. The ruling family was plagued by financial difficulties and tensions remained with France over Monaco's independence and territorial boundaries. The mid-19th century marked a dramatic shift in Monaco's fortunes with the opening of the Monte Carlo casino in 1863. This bold move by Prince Charles III, who was facing financial difficulties, transformed Monaco into a world-renowned destination for gambling and entertainment, attracting wealthy tourists and securing the principality's financial future. The 20th century ushered in an era of modernization and development under Prince Rainier III. His reign, from 1949 to 2005, witnessed significant economic growth, infrastructure improvements, and the expansion of Monaco's international profile. In this episode, we'll take a look at the main attractions that make Monaco a dream destination for travelers from all over the world. First up is the famous Monte Carlo Casino. This legendary casino isn't just a place for games, it's a true architectural masterpiece. Built in 1863, it embodies the glamour and luxury that Monaco is known for. Even if you're not a gambler, be sure to visit its magnificent halls and gardens. Next, we have the Prince's Palace. Located high on the Rock of Monaco, this royal palace has been home to the Grimaldi family for over 7 centuries. Don't miss the daily changing of the guard ceremony. It will add a touch of royal sparkle to your trip. For sea lovers, the Oceanographic Museum is a true treasure trove of marine life and ocean artifacts. Founded by Prince Albert I, this museum, housed in a stunning building on the cliff, offers a fascinating journey through the wonders of the underwater world. Another gem is the Monaco Grand Prix, one of the most prestigious car races in the world, held annually on the streets of Monte Carlo. It's a thrilling spectacle of speed and skill, attracting both fans and celebrities. And of course, let's not forget the exotic garden, a lush botanical garden with breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea. It houses a variety of exotic plants, and it's a quiet refuge from the bustling city below. Finally, take a stroll through the old town of Monaco-Ville. With its narrow streets, charming cafés, and historical buildings, it's the perfect place to soak up the true atmosphere of Monaco. Monaco is a place where history and modernity blend beautifully, offering something interesting for every traveler. We've prepared the ultimate Monaco travel guide for you. It has everything from the best routes and attractions to tips on how to get around the city. It will definitely come in handy on your trip to this amazing country. We've marked the best photo spots and recommended where to take great pictures. We also talked about transportation, trains, buses, and taxis. We've selected hotels for every taste, from luxury to budget-friendly. We've created a list of great cafes and restaurants for any budget. And we've also included helpful tips and important contacts for your convenience and safety. To view our travel guide, click the link in the video description. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos and let us know if you enjoyed our video. See you soon, friends.